All right, you're watching this video right now because you're curious to know if black seed oil actually increases the girth or the length of your penis. I'm going to answer that question right now, and then I'm going to show you how I arrived at that answer. And then I'm also going to, well, the answer is no. The answer is no. You probably don't want to hear that right now, but I'm going to show you how I arrived at that point. But also, you can click the link below this video and it'll take you to an actual working method. One that you can use in conjunction with black seed oil to actually increase your length and girth up to 2 to 4 inches. That's a guarantee, actually. Or you could do it without the black seed oil, because the black seed oil only works as like a stimulant. It doesn't actually increase the length or the girth of your penis. The only reason that has been said is so that those who are behind the black seed oil industry, not of course not the ancient black seed oil, but those who are using it the same way we've done the acai berry or goji berry or any other fad, you know what I mean? It's just people behind that know that in order to get people to buy this shit, you have to attach it to a certain type of mental insecurities, and penis length is the one that gets men to take action. There's also a myth that it helps with diabetes and asthma and a bunch of different things. The truth is it works on some of these things, and it has a small effect on those things that it actually works on. So usually they tend to promote things like this as a cure-all because it sells better that way. You don't have to show any results. It's not FDA regulated, so there's no real hurdles to jump through as long as you can get people to buy this shit. So that happens by paying people like Dr. Oz, to have a spot on the show, or from people putting out fake articles as press releases saying that this shit works when it doesn't. But when you look at actual clinical trials, when you look at actual collected data and not just pseudoscience, then you get a clearer understanding of what's actually working with the black seed oil stuff. So here are the actual things that it does. And these are the things that it does mildly. All right. It alleviates allergy symptoms. It improves lung function. It improves memory and cognition, treats rheumatoid arthritis, and it treats hepatitis C, reduces blood pressure, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. Things that it doesn't do. Doesn't fight cancer. It doesn't fight diabetes, doesn't help with weight loss. And I think there were some other things. Also, you have to worry about skin irritation. So if you're like directly putting this on your penis, if you have it already and you want to try and see if it works, don't put it directly on your penis first. Put it somewhere else on your skin to see what happens. There's also allergic reaction and also kidney and liver damage if you take too much of this shit. So it works like other things, and it also interacts with your blood pressure medication. That's what I'm saying. And then also if you're pregnant, you shouldn't take it. And then they talk about the purchasing options. But the main thing to me is the skin irritation. If you're putting this directly on your penis, that could be a bad idea. If you're thinking, if I take a bunch of this shit, I'll see results faster, that's a bad idea. That's what I'm saying about pseudoscience, where they don't tell you about the dangers that come with this natural seed, natural supplement, natural whatever, cure-all, whatever it might be. So just click the link below this video if you want an actual way that you can do just a few minutes a day and actually add 2 to 4 inches to your penis, guaranteed. If it doesn't work, you have 60 days to try this shit. If you don't see any gains within 60 days, just contact them and they give you your money back. It's simple. And you don't have to worry about any type of adverse reactions as long as you follow their steps. All right. So you click the link below the video, watch the presentation and see for yourself what you think. If it sounds right to you, sign up. Try it for 60 days. If it doesn't work, you get your money back. It's pretty simple. You don't have to worry about skin irritation, fucking up your liver, or spending money on this stuff that doesn't actually work just because some salesman out there convinced you that this is going to help you get a bigger dick. It doesn't work that way. I'm sorry. You click the link below this video, you'll see actual exercises that you can use to actually extend your penis. If that shit doesn't work, I'm a member myself. I'm a member of the shit myself. I'm going to make a video inside the members area showing people how this shit, showing people what they would get and stuff when they sign up. But that's for a different video. For now, just click the link below, watch the shit, make your own informed decision. If it doesn't work, you get your money back. Pretty simple. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Unfortunately, I'm sorry that black seed oil doesn't work the way that you would hope that it does, but thank you for watching, and I hope you find what you're looking for by clicking the link below. All right. Have a good one.